as a youngster, you've been in that position, you know, one of the younger lads. Suddenly there's players like George Williams, I mean Johnny Williams has been there for a while, but George Williams, players like that, young players who are being given the opportunity. You know, does it remind you of yourself maybe all those years ago?
Yeah, I know. I remember, you know, obviously making my debut, and it's a very exciting time. And it's no different for them now. You know, coming in and playing for the national team is a very proud and honourable moment for them. So, you know, hopefully they can continue the good performances that they've been doing over the last few games, and I'm sure they'll get plenty more opportunities to show what they can do.
Going back to Brussels on Sunday, a year ago, they're getting a 1-1 draw, very depleted squad in many ways, but a fantastic result and a game. I mean, I think most people, observers there, you dominated that game, you ran the show that night, you seemed to relish it out there, and you got the equaliser at the end.
Yeah, it was a very enjoyable game for me personally to be involved in, and yeah, I had a good game and managed to get the equaliser. You know, it was a good team performance. Everyone wrote us off before we even started. You know, we had a lot of injuries, even in the game as well. I think Ginge went off and we had to shuffle again. So yeah, it was a very enjoyable game to be a part of, and you could see that, you know, everybody was on board together, and you know, even the players that don't play so often, you know, came in and done a terrific job against, you know, some of the best players around Europe.
And here we are, a year on, going back there, top of the group. It'll be a different atmosphere, different game this time, I would imagine. Is that what you expect?
Yeah, I think so. They were already qualified as well, and obviously we were in top of the group last year. So yeah, it's going to be a difficult game, but one that we're looking forward to. And you know, we're really confident at the moment, and we want to keep the momentum, you know, going. So it'll be a tough test, but one that, you know, I think we can come away with a good result.
And just finally, I mean, we haven't achieved anything yet, I know, but in terms of Belgium are seen as a good side, you look at our side as well, the players we have now. Wales are a good team as well, aren't they?
Yeah, you know, over the last I don't know, four years now, you can see you know, the progression we've made, and every camp, every game that goes by, we're getting stronger, and yeah, we found ourselves in a great position early on, and now we just want to keep going, and proving to, you know, to everyone that, and to ourselves, that we're more than capable of competing against, you know, the top teams in top countries in Europe. So and that's what we'll be hoping to do to get to France.